Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video I am going to show you how to hide or how to disable Instagram last seen, online status or active status. Once you have disabled your Instagram online status, you will appear offline to everyone even if you are online. So make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To disable your Instagram last seen, online status or active status, first of all you have to open your Instagram, then go to right bottom corner and click on your profile picture. Once you have clicked on your profile picture, then go to right top corner and click on this three minus, and this settings and privacy page will open. On this page you have to scroll down, and here you will find one option called messages and story replies. Simply click on it and this interface will open. On this page you have to click on show activity status, and finally this interface will open where you will find this setting show activity status, and by default this setting will be enabled in your Instagram. Simply you have to disable this setting and your Instagram last seen, online status or active status will be disabled, will be hide. After that you will appear offline to everyone even if you are online on Instagram. So this is how you can hide, or this is how you can disable your Instagram last seen, online status or active status. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.